If you've been struggling to make money online and have watched countless amounts of videos on how to make money online, today is your lucky day because I'll be showing you something that I recently discovered and that is 100% effective. When I realized that this method really works, I immediately thought of making a video about it so that I could share it with you. I believe it is by far the easiest way to make money online and you don't need to have skills to do this. You can do this on your computer or your mobile phone, and this is available to everyone around the world. Take a look at my earnings from this strategy that I'll share with you today. I was just doing this for a short period of time and I was able to make this amount of money. You can see all the payments made to my account here, and in this video, I'll show you how to earn just like this.
Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video.
In this video, I will teach you how to earn money by just using the website creativelive.com. This is the first time I'll talk about this website on my channel. And it basically offers various classes to people who want to earn online, but don't worry because you won't be signing up as a student on this website because I discovered an easier way to earn money from it, which I will share with you in this video. People who wish to learn anything may really subscribe to this website and have access to 2,000 lessons given by the world's top professionals. This website contains a large number of classes that may be accessed 24/7. One of the finest features of this website is that users may save the videos and view them later. As you can see, they provide lessons for photo and video self-improvement lighting, portrait money and finance drawing, posting wedding graphic design videography, and a variety of others. If you want to see all the classes, simply click on See All Classes right here and you'll be redirected to this page where they will show you all the available classes, and they have a lot of classes which people can watch. You might be wondering right now how much money we can actually make from this website. Well, you can actually earn anywhere between $378 and $545, and you can earn this money passively, which means you only need to set it up once and then you can earn this money. Now, right on their homepage, you can see how many people are currently using this website, and there are more than 10 million people from all over the world who are using this website. That is a lot of people, which means that you can also make a lot of money from it. I highly encourage you to keep watching this video all the way until the end because I will be showing you some exclusive bonus tips, which you can only find in my video. Not a lot of people actually talk about this website. Sign up for our website and we will earn a commission every time someone joins up using our affiliate link. I will teach you how to acquire your own affiliate link and where you can perhaps post that link so that a lot of people click it and you get your affiliate commissions later. Continue watching this video and I will show you in a moment that this is 100% legit and your earning potential on this website is limitless. You don't need to invest your hard-earned money to get started. You can basically do it for free, and at the end of the day, you will get your affiliate commissions. This is a win-win situation for both you and the individual who clicks your affiliate link because they can earn a lot on this website and you will receive commissions when they join up. Don't worry, folks don't need to spend a lot of money since they can join up for as little as $12.42 and get access to several programs on this website. That is a win-win situation for both you and the individual who click your link. Now I will show you how to sign up as an affiliate on this website, and I really want you to focus on this part because I will be showing you a live demonstration on how to do it. Some people skipped this part and didn't make any money at all, and I don't want that to happen to you, so sit back and relax and keep watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, now let's return to the video. To begin earning as an affiliate, simply scroll down to the very bottom of the page and then under Join Us, you will see Become an Affiliate, and I want you to click on that one. You will now be redirected to their affiliate program page where you can see here the affiliate program makes money by connecting your audience to great content. Now as we scroll down, we can see that they actually share 30% of new customer sales. One of the nice things about their affiliate program is that you can track your earnings in real time and they provide some advanced reporting tools. Another feature of their affiliate program that I enjoy is that you may still earn money on all purchases purchases made by recommended clients within 30 days of the initial click. So even if the person who clicked your link did not immediately purchase from their website, you can still earn money if they decide to purchase something within 30 days. Okay, you might be thinking that 30 commission is not that big, but let me show you this. If they purchase this class, which is $49, you will get 30% of that, and that would be somewhere around $15. Just like that, you now have $15 on your account. Quite simple, right? If you want to join their affiliate program, everything you need to do is click on the sign up button right here, and you will be routed to this website where you can sign up as an affiliate. I simply wanted to remind you that this is completely free. Okay, you don't need any money to sign up for a free account, so on this page you can actually read more about the affiliate program, and I will leave that up to you to read through. To proceed with the sign-up process, simply provide your personal details in these boxes, and once you're finished, simply click on this button to proceed to the next step. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you can begin to share your affiliate link with others and earn affiliate commissions from that. As you can see here, there are many classes that you can share with others, and whenever they purchase that class, you will be able to earn money. It is really that simple, as mentioned at the beginning of the video. I'll now show you 3 places where you may publish your affiliate link and receive a lot of traffic. The first website is something that many of you may be acquainted with, Twitter. You can sign up for a free account by going to twitter.com. Once you've created an account, go to Twitter search box and type in something like how to edit using Adobe Photoshop or some other comparable query. Hit search, and Twitter will provide some related searches for you to click on and communicate with the individual. Once you've built a relationship with the individual, you can now lead them to creativelive.com using your affiliate link, and if they buy a class from Creative Live, you will receive commissions. The following website is Quora.com. This is a website where people come and ask questions. So in the search box, simply search the same thing you did on Twitter, and then simply interact with any of these questions, then direct them through the Creative Live website using your affiliate link, and they can now purchase a class and learn from it, which is another affiliate commission on your account. And the final website where you may acquire a lot of traffic is of course Facebook.com, which you probably use every day. Once you've logged into your account, type graphic design into the search box and hit search. The next step is to filter the search and choose groups. You will now be able to see that there are a lot of Facebook groups that are talking about graphic design. Simply join these groups and start interacting with the members. If they are interested in learning about graphic design, tell them to go to Creative Live and give them your affiliate link.
Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.